What's up, everybody? Today we are heading back into the Alpine, hopefully. We've driven 5 hours. We just got to the beginning of gravel, and we're gonna see if we can make it up Lavina Mountain to the fire lookout. Well, what used to be the fire lookout, because it was unfortunately lost in the recent wildfires, and I believe this fire is actually still going. As we were driving in, you could see the destruction for kilometers beforehand on this mountain range, so we have no idea if it's open, if there's trees down, if they've got it blocked off, nothing. But we got about 10 kilometers till the trailhead, and we'll find out together. So the fire was mostly on the other side of this range, so we're hopeful that it didn't go across the access road, because once you get up top, there's not a lot of trees. But I think we're gonna know pretty quick if this is gonna be a go or a no. Well, we're a few kilometers away from the trailhead, and this is the first sign of very strong fire smell. Not smoke, but just recently burned earth. And a couple locations of machinery going up the hill to create fire guards and stuff. And it looks like possibly, yep, the fire touched right down to here. I don't know if you can tell in the distance, but that whole hillside over there is completely burned. Had you looking through a bug splat. There you go. It's definitely burned over this side of the mountain a lot more than both Denny and I expected, so our hopes have been diminished a little bit, but I still got a little bit of hope. All right, well, this is the beginning of the trail. There's been signs of stuff, but nothing blocking the road, so we're gonna go up until there is something blocking the road. And to be clear, there is no immediate danger of fire or any fire in the distance or any smoke even. So yeah, we're not going into areas that we're gonna be disturbing firefighting efforts, to make that clear. As you can see, very clear. Yeah, very spotty. There's islands of non-burned trees. You can see the fire came down to the road here. You can tell they had equipment up here fixing the road not too long ago. I don't think it was for the fire, but probably this spring. It wouldn't be a bad place to operate equipment. Sign me up. So here it's pretty clear that it was burning on both sides of the road. It's just so interesting how it completely misses some trees and burns others. Thankfully the glacier over there didn't get burned, melting enough as it is. First little tree we can't get around, so should probably just pull it out of the way, but that's gonna be the big worry, is some of these big burnt trees coming across. And I mean, one or two's you can cut out of the way, but if it starts turning into several, then that'll be our sign, I think. They don't call him the excavator for nothing. Number 2 moments later, very burned. I think I can squeak around. Be a bummer if not. Little burnout. Ah. All right, well, 3,475 feet, and think that's gonna be it, because in the next 100 feet I can see about 7 or 8 trees down. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting after this spring, or it's gonna be interesting next spring after this winter. With all the snow weight, it's gonna bring down a lot more trees. Yeah, well, it looks like that's the end of the road. And what's crazy is majority of the trees in this stretch aren't even burnt yet. They're mostly green, and in about a kilometer, there's probably 100 trees across the road. So yeah, it's gonna be bad, especially once you get up top where there's tighter switchbacks. It's all burned there, and like I said, after winter is gonna be something. So if you wanna be part of a large group when it's time to come clean this area up, it's gonna take a lot of chainsaws and a lot of manpower, or I don't know, possibly some equipment if any of the companies feel the need to get up here. But until further notice, it's a no-go, so save the trip. All right, well, we're back down on the main road, and now we have to figure out where we want to go, because we put all our eggs in that basket, and that basket was robbed from us earlier than we thought. So yeah, here we go. All right, we're on our way up mountain number 2. It's 4:07 p.m., which isn't ideal, but it's a long drive from home. So this one we're going to, we are going to try and make it to over 8,000 feet. We've been here before, but it was very smoky, so we didn't get to enjoy the view. So Bluebird Day, this should be epic. That's where we were, right over there on those mountains. Bah humbug. Oh well, this one's gonna be great. Steep and narrow up ahead. That's all right. Mostly quad tracks for some reason. We are on the steepest portion currently. Nice mountain peaks that are soon gonna have snow on them. We gotta make our way up there. It's just massive mountains everywhere you look. Plenty are over 10,000 feet. Pretty cool. Not a super well-traveled road anymore, but it's a road. There's a lake down there, so yeah, we were right up those mountains a little bit. Well, we're at 8,000 feet. And we just need to go up to the top of that puppy. This is the current trail. That view, 360. Got a little less clearance in the basically stock JK with 35s. right, well that's the worst part as far as clearance goes. The sketchiest part is yet to come.
I don't like it. Not for me. I'm gonna have to walk.
(8,161 feet, and here is the last portion. Looks like some more rock has fallen down since the last time we were here, and yeah, it's a pretty unforgiving fall.
Not today. Not for me. Different story in that little girl. Yeah, no. We did it in the other Jeep, but
there's a little look out the side. Not sure how many thousand feet that is, but it's a lot. It's advantageous to stay on the road for sure. Well, made it right to the tippy top this time, even slightly higher than the tower. 8,266 feet. So that is a true 360-degree view. And there's Denny. And there's where we were before. Wow. So last time we came, that was all smoke. That was all smoke. You couldn't see anything, so this is a treat.
nice little ridgeline. That wouldn't be worth it. Here's my Jeep. I admitted defeat. There's a couple of big boulders on the way. Just didn't like the feeling. We did it last time with the other Jeep, and I know that was enough of a feeling, so after 20 hits,
wait for the splash. Wait for the splash.
I missed it.
Short or long?
All along.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you hit the glacier up there. Son of a bitch.
I'll bet the sunset up here would be dumb.
I know.
Better get out of here before that happens. That'd be... That's pyrite.
You're a pirate.
I know, I'm a pirate.
It's actually leverite.
No.
Yeah, lever right there.
Yeah. It's illegal rock stacking. Well, not too bad. I think we made the right choice.
Not too bad at all. I don't necessarily agree with the last bit that you took up to get here.
The road?
Yeah, either the... I don't think I would call it a road.
It's a road.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I typed it into Google and it took me right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, last time wasn't this view.
No.
That's for sure.
No.
Doesn't get much better than this.
Not really. Not really.
When people say 360 views, usually it's like, maybe
Yeah.
270.
Yeah.
This is 360.
Well, and like even one of the other places I was at, like awesome glacier views and everything, but you're blocked by the glacier.
Yeah.
So like it's...
I guess there's that one dumb hill right there blocking that portion, but we'll count it as the
And
view.
the mountains behind that one actually suck.
Yeah.
So
That's good.
these ones are all good. Those ones are good. The ones behind this, they've been known to just suck.
Well, we came, we saw, we conquered. It's, what is it, 5:38 p.m. And once we get back to pavement, we've got a 5-hour drive home. So probably turn around and start making our way down pretty quick here.
Bruce. Oh, Bruce. Might as well give Denny a heart attack. Oh, ho, ho. Happy I wasn't in there. Just crazy that this is a road.
Well, we made it back down to the, well, main trail, not Forest Service Road, but main trail. So that was awesome. So nice to see that view without the smoke and on a bluebird day, especially after our letdown of Lavina this morning. But that is going to do it for this video. So if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like and comment and hit the subscribe. And also check out my Patreon and YouTube memberships. All the money that I raise from that is gonna go towards helping people out. So once we get enough funds there, we'll, I don't know, do something, buy someone a car, get them back on their feet, who knows. So if you wanna do that, the Patreon and memberships links will be in the description. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.